I can fight it by staying positive, by spreading the word.
I would do more education.
And just spreading that awareness.
Education. That's the only way we're going to be able to get it is education.
Training people in both languages, Spanish and English.
The better we fight the stigma.
You have to educate people. You just have to keep educating about it, people until they actually get in their head.
Learn about HIV/AIDS. It is not the same as it was when it first started.
We know now that HIV is not the disease that it was before, where it was killing us. It is now something that people live with, and people live pretty much the same lifespan as any other person would. So I guess to treat HIV and AIDS as you would diabetes or another long-term disease.
Just educate more people so the stigma gets smaller and smaller.
More marketing needs to be done. Campaigns that show that HIV can affect anyone.
We're human just like everybody else.
It isn't limited to the gay community.
We're not that stigma.
It can be in any community.
But not like this menace to each and every one of us.
There are many steps that you could take to prevent yourself from getting infected.
And if you treat it like that, it starts to just be like, oh, okay, HIV, it's a thing.